Hi everyone, it's Miss M. Today I'm going to review stem and leaf plots with you. So the first thing we do when we're setting up a stem and leaf plot is to identify the smallest and the largest number. So the smallest number is 23 and the largest number is 78. So after I do that, then I can start filling in my stem and leaf plot. I'm just going to write S and L just for short. And these numbers help us to decide our stems. Our stem is going to start at the smallest first digit, and then we need every number in between the smallest and the largest digit, even if there's something that you don't find in your data. You can't skip numbers. And then I could fill in my leaves. So I want to fill in from least to greatest. So starting with 23, 27, 29, 33, 35, 39, and keep going until you have filled out all your numbers. It really makes it easier if you cross off as you go along so that you don't forget any numbers. Okay, there's lots of numbers in the 50s, 60s, and 70s, ending with 78. Okay, and once you have your stem and leaf plot filled out, do not forget your title and your key. So we can make the title of this Math Test Scores, and the key, I kind of don't have room at the bottom, so I'll just put it on the side here. You could pick any number for the key, so say I pick 35, 3/5 represents 35, okay? And then we can analyze our data a little bit. So let's find the range. Remember, regular range is biggest number minus smallest number. So the range is 55. Mode, the number that happens most often. Here we have two modes. Oh, that makes me realize I forgot a 5 here in our stem and leaf plot. Whoops. Okay, let's go back to our mode. We have two modes, 55 and 61, because they both happen 3 times each. The median is the middle number. So you want to cross off, of course, from smallest and largest until you get to the center. I did this ahead of time so you wouldn't have to wait for me to do that. And the median is 54 because you wind up with 2 middle numbers, 53 and 55, so in the middle is 54. And then the mean. So mean is the same thing as average. You want to add all the numbers. If you add them all up, you get 2,128. Divide by how many there are is 40. So the mean is 53.2. Okay, and now you can complete your do now.